helping a woman who encountered an accident on her motorcycle at the Agwang Bridge in Baler, Aurora. Said woman sustained several scars and was unable to move. Police Corporal Rivares and MDRRMO responded immediately and gave the woman first aid before transferring her to Aurora Memorial Hospital for proper medication. The medalya ng papuri is awarded to Police Corporal Michelle Joy Rivares of Baler Municipal Police Station, Aurora PPO, PRO 3. Same plaque is also presented with the same citation as well as a cash incentive.